Hello guys, welcome to this video. It's a pleasure having you here today. Before we proceed, kindly ensure you refer to the description menu below this video for a better understanding of this tutorial. If you must understand and comprehend this tutorial, then reading the description is highly mandatory. All you have to do right now is pause this video right away and take out a few seconds to read through the video description before you continue watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on any updates. Best wishes. Now let's get started.
Alright, welcome back, and I'm going to refresh this page so that we can see what was done here for the about page. So you can see this is the text that we changed for the about page and the changes that we've made. So the next page we're going to be building and working on is our services page. So just click on services here. The consulting theme is peculiar in the sense that apart from the fact that you can present your services in a text format, simple text, just like this, it also gives you the opportunity to mark out your services in the form of grids. So you can scroll down, you see what I mean, and you can simply set it up anyhow you want it. So I'm going to show you how we can set up this services page in the form of grid. Just come to your dashboard area and scroll up, then click on services and wait for it to load up. Just wait for it to load up. Now you can see that there are about 8 services here, and they are all reflected here: turnaround consulting, bonds, communities, audit and assurance. And the same thing is also here: turnaround consulting, bonds and communities, audit and assurance. So there are about 8 services here. So if you want to set up your own service in this format, you can set up your services on a service page and make it plain, or you can make use of this services one that's already been created for us. So that being said, all we need to do is just simply pick one of those services and edit it. So I could just pick this turnaround consulting and click on edit while I pick any of them here. You can see we also have about 9 services here. So I'm just gonna pick this one, pick this here and edit it. You can see it's still loading, so just quickly edit it. You can change the permalink structure to show what you want it to be. Now inside here you have to put in more details, because you can see that there's a visual composer for this service page. So you can also put in more details about that particular service, put in images, and select the category that the service belongs to. I'm just going to deselect all these and put only human capital. You can see the featured image that comes along with it. The featured image is there and it's represented here. You can see these are all featured images. So if you change any one of them, it's going to reflect on the front end. And there's still more text areas that you can also change out. And lastly, the call to action bar at the bottom. You can see an except. Companies dislike the term turnaround consulting. The term the except is actually what will be there when you are viewing the services from the services page. So you can see it's reflected here too. So you can actually change it to something else if you want. Just type a text, and when you are done, all you need to do is just click update. Okay, that's one way of setting it up. So looking at our content, we don't really have much in terms of the description of the services, but we just have the services themselves. So all we need to do is just change them out and apply them wherever it falls into. Just click update and then apply them, and then wait for it. So as soon as it has loaded up, we just need to click on the remaining services and then change them. And you can see it has been changed, and if you click view, you see what it has changed to. So instead of entering in depth, I'm just going to click on quick edit, so I can just change only the title. only the title here. I'm just going to change it and change the slug, make it graphic, and remove some categories, and then click on update. So it's going to update, and then we can see the services here. So this is just one service, and you can see the way it's presented. You can see there's a graphic chart there. It's one of the features of the Visual Composer. You can put in a graphic chart. It's one of the elements there. Just select the same thing for this bar chart. So let's take a look at it and see. Click on edit service. We've also edited this one, so you can see how it's looking like now. Let's edit service so that we can take a look at how the bar chart and the pie chart was incorporated into this particular service page while it's still loading. Alright, so our page has loaded, and as you can see, this is some of the items we saw earlier. Now this is an element called charts, and if you click on it, you can see that there are items there. You can choose your design to be in a circular form, which is what we are seeing here. You can also choose your design to be in a bar chart or line chart or pie chart. So what we have operational there is a circle, and that's what you can observe here. Okay, we've closed the page. You can also position the icon itself, the legend, choose the width. Most of these items have already been placed there for you by default, so all you need to do is just select. These are the values. You can see 40% is put in the purple color range, so you can always change everything up to suit your purpose. You can see the color. So you can see the color has been changed 40%. So basically everything has already been set up for you. You just need to make the changes necessary. So I hope you understood how we worked on the services of this section, and thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive tutorials.